how to split a video in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So Canva is a really handy website that allows you to split a video. So I'll teach you how. Let's dive right in. So go to your web browser, open up Canva and go to the video that you want to split. Now tap on the video timeline and then go to the part where you want to split the video and right click on it. So you can see the split page option on the bottom. If you tap on it, you can see that the two videos are now separated. Now you can right click on the video that you want to delete and you find the delete page option right here. Now if you want to remove the middle section, then go to the end part where you want to delete the video, right click on it and then on split page. And now you can see that the video has been divided into three parts. Now just click on the part that you want to delete, right click on it and tap on delete page. And that's it. It's as simple as that to split a video in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.